Garuda Gear has a gift for you this Christmas season. Pero bago ko i-reveal yun, let me introduce to you their newest product, Eagle One, high-performance, super light gaming mouse. Hello there, Aussie Old Noob. At may pinadala sa atin ang Garuda Gear. Ito ang Eagle One, high-performance, super light gaming mouse. Tara, buksan natin.
This is Eagle One by Garuda Gear. It has triple mode connection. It's super lightweight at 59 grams. It has programmable buttons up to 26,000 dpi. It has Pixart 3395 sensor, 6-button layout with accessories like premium grip tape. Going to try the Eagle One mouse from Garuda Gear. It's very light.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining. One enemy remaining.
Right there. That's Eagle One.
Gina-charge ko ngayon ang Eagle One ng Garuda Gear. Very nice siya. Very nice. Very lightweight. Very precise. Very responsive nung buttons niya. Kahit yung mouse wheel niya, yung pag scroll mo siya, very responsive. If you're looking for a high-performance, super lightweight wireless gaming mouse, check it out. Nasa yellow basket po siya, ang Eagle One ng Garuda Gear.
1,495 pesos na lang itong Eagle One. Save up to 50% off with Garuda Gear's Holiday Mega Sale. Kaya pwede mo na mabili ang fave Garuda Gear product mo for you or for your friends and loved ones for a low price. Hurry and buy now. Promo runs while supplies last.